I'm going to show you guys in this video how you can design an icon bar using CSS and HTML. Something that looks like this. Okay, this is an icon bar, a vertical icon bar with icons on it. So I'm going to see how we can achieve designing this from scratch. Okay, so if you are ready, let's begin. Okay, we are going to use a text editor brackets. I can go ahead and delete this, or delete and save. I'm going to save this file. I'm saving it as test.html. Okay, so we have it here, test.html. So we'll begin our coding. We can now go ahead and declare. So our document type, we're using HTML, so we'll commence by doing this. Okay, document type is HTML. Okay, so HTML proper. So I'm going to define the meta type. Okay, meta name is equal to view path. Content is equal to width equal to device width. Okay, and this will be separated with comma, and our initial scale equal to 1. Okay, so I'm going to close this, and next we are going to call in our font library. So we're going to call in a font library for CSS, and to do that I'm going to say okay, link is equal to style sheet. Style sheet. Okay. Equal to. Okay, I'm going to use this link. I'm calling the library cdn as cloudflare.com. Library plus, so this is the library I like using for my design. 4.7.0/CSS. Okay. Now this min.css. Yes, I can go ahead and do this. So now we're going to create our CSS style problem. I'll say style, open tag style. Now define the body. Okay, to use my curly brackets, I'm going to say margin here should be 0. Okay, so now you're going to define the icon bar itself. So icon bar, define it. We're going to give it the width and also a color. So icon bar, okay, the width, I'll leave it at 90 pixel, and the background color, I have background color. I'm going to give it okay, let me use this as the background color. It's going to give me a dark color. Okay, so quickly I'm also going to now define how I want the icons to appear on the bar. So I'm going to do this icon bar, okay. The display should be blocked. Okay, should be aligned at the center. Text align center. Okay, I want the padding. To be 16 pixel. Transition. Should be east at 0.3 seconds. Okay, and I want the color. Here I can define the color of the icon now. I want the color to be okay. Let's give it white. Color should be white, and then the font size. The font size for our icon is going to be let's say 35 pixel. Okay, so I'm done defining this. Okay, I'm going to define the hover effect over the icon. So I'm going to say I'll do this icon bar. Okay, hover. Define this. Give it a background color. The background color. I'm going to give it okay a bit of black. Okay, and okay, so active, when the bar is active, I'm going to give it a background color. Background color, you can play around with any color of your choice just to see what you have. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this color. Okay, let's see. So at this point we are done with our CSS style. I have the style. I'll go through it carefully and see that I have my syntax right. Okay, I think we are cool at this point, so I can go ahead now and I'll continue with my HTML content. Okay, we need to find a container for this. Div class. Okay, class. I'll give it call it icon bar. Okay. Icon bar. So here I'm going to define the icons themselves, calling from the library. So I'm going to begin with this. Okay, for the first item, it should be active all the time. We don't have any link for now, so I'm going to call it to itself. By declaring it this way. Okay. Okay. I'm going to say class. Okay. I want the first icon to be a search button, so I'm going to call from the library with predefined name search. Okay, done with this. So I'm going to move on to the next icon. So the link, there's no link for it, so call it to itself. Okay, so I'm going to say class equal to I'm going to call this briefcase. That's the name of the icon, briefcase. So I'm going to practically copy this, whatever we have here, copy and paste it here. Okay, I'll change the icon. That's the only thing I'll be changing here. I'm going to call this flag. I'm going to paste the next one here. I'll call this globe. Okay, paste the next one here, and I'll call it folder. So here we are defining the icons themselves. We started here, we find the container. Okay, the first icon I said is search, the second is briefcase, we have the flag, we also have the globe, and finally we have the folder. Let's get back to our desktop and see what we have. Okay, I'm going to open up the file, test, and we have this. Okay guys, so this is the icon bar designed using CSS and HTML. So guys, you can play around with this. Okay, and, here we have the code. You can play around with this and go over the video again and again to understand much more better. And don't fail to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated whenever we upload a new video.